Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Morozova. I'm doctoral researcher at Warwick Business School. Today, I would like to share with you the key outline of my PhD project, which aims to understand the key underlying mechanisms of unplanned and impulse purchases in e-commerce. Imagine that you have £15 and you need to buy shampoo. You go to an online store. And in the first situation, you find your regular shampoo in the list of products and you buy it. In the second situation, while you're browsing for a regular shampoo, you have also noticed a hair conditioner with 30% discount. Although you're not going to buy it today, you think that this is a nice opportunity, so you buy both, a shampoo and a hair conditioner. In the third situation, while you're browsing for your shampoo, you have also noticed a new collection of nail polishes. One of those colors looks so attractive. You can't resist the temptation and you buy this product. While I was conducting numerous shopper behavior studies in PhD across different trade channels, I asked myself, what are the differences between these two types of purchases, which in our case are represented by hair conditioner and nail polish? Looking at the academic literature, I have found out that despite the fact that starting from 1980s, researchers have highlighted differences between unplanned and impulse purchases, more recent publications continue to use these two terms interchangeably. Therefore, we decided to conduct a systematic literature review, where we analyzed definitions and descriptions of unplanned and impulse purchases. Results of this analysis have been mapped with dual system model, which highlights that unplanned purchases are much more related with reflective system, while impulse purchases are much more associated with impulsive system. Further on, we designed and tested a scale which allows us to identify whether a purchase is planned, unplanned, or impulse. In our next study, we designed a series of experiments for which we designed a mock e-commerce site. We tracked shoppers' behavior using mouse tracking and analyzed physiological response associated with the purchase decision-making process. Analysis of ADA, heart rate, and skin temperature has allowed us to identify that unplanned purchases are much more related with cognitive involvement, while impulse purchases are much more associated with emotional engagement in the purchase decision-making. Moreover, different stages of the path to purchase play a distinctive role for unplanned and impulse purchases, so that attention is much more important for unplanned purchases, while motivation stage is much more critical for impulse purchase decision-making. We have also found out that shoppers use different site triggers for their unplanned and impulse purchase decision-making. Unplanned purchases are framed by the general shopping needs state to buy product for hair treatment. Based on these studies, we provided recommendations both for academia and industry. For academic researchers, we recommend to distinguish between unplanned and impulse purchases in their studies. For industry experts, we provide recommendations following the funnel of planned, unplanned, and impulse purchases. For planned purchases, we believe that it's very important for companies to address the level of product planning. For unplanned purchases, we recommend companies to leverage general site triggers like list of products and product page, and address the general shopping needs state. To win in impulse purchases, companies should leverage specific site triggers like lists with novelties and gifts, banners, cross-selling, also increase shoppers' emotional engagement in the purchase decision-making, and address the shoppers' hedonic needs.